Priyanka Chopra Jonas just turned 43, and she did it in the most magical way. With sun-kissed skin, sandy toes, and a heart full of love, the global star gave fans a glimpse into her dreamy pre-birthday getaway. Celebrating with her husband Nick Jonas, daughter Malti Miri, and close family, Priyanka soaked up the sunshine at what appears to be a private beach paradise. In the video montage she shared, Priyanka glows in a bright yellow bikini, cuddling up to Nick for selfies, wrapping Malti in warm hugs, splashing through waves, and enjoying playful animal encounters. It was the perfect mix of peace, fun, and family joy. Alongside the clip, Priyanka posted a heartfelt message to her fans. As I prepare to go into another year around the sun, on my birthday eve, all I can be is grateful. I feel so protected by the universe and so grateful for all the gifts that have been provided to me. My family is my greatest gift and all of my incredible well-wishers around the world. Thank you. So with immense gratitude I go into 43 baby. Fans quickly filled the comments with love and admiration. One shared, "You're so blessed and deserve it so much. Happy early birthday Priyanka Chopra." And another wrote, "There is no one like you. We all love you forever. Happy birthday Priyanka Chopra." Adding to the celebrations, Nick Jonas also posted a sweet, romantic reel set to the Jonas Brothers track, "I Can't Lose." It opens with Nick standing alone on the beach, looking somber, with the caption, "Without her" with sad emoji. Then, Priyanka appears, and everything changes. The vibe turns joyful and full of love, with matching swimwear, kisses, dances, and smiles. The screen reads, "With her" with smiley emoji. Nick captioned it, "I can't lose, summer." The reel quickly went viral, giving fans all the romantic feels. From owning the spotlight in Hollywood to creating unforgettable memories with her family, Priyanka Chopra Jonas shows us all that 43 is nothing short of fabulous. The much-anticipated film Sayara, featuring debutants Ahan Pandey and Aneet Pad, has finally released in theatres. Audiences are already praising Ahan's strong and impactful performance. However, fans and viewers have noticed something unusual about the film's promotion. Both actors have stayed away from the typical Bollywood spotlight. There were no grand trailer launches, interviews, city tours, or promotional events, leaving many to wonder about the reason behind this quiet approach. Director Mohit Suri recently shed light on this strategy in an interview. He revealed that the decision to keep the actors away from media attention was a deliberate move suggested by the film's producer Akshay Vidhani and Yash Raj Films' Aditya Chopra. Mohit explained, "Until the two actors don't have anything behind them to talk about, the conversation will be filled with questions like, who is the prankster on the set, or how is it to work with Mohit Suri? It's all redundant stuff, and I don't think anyone has any interest in listening to all that." The goal, he added, was to keep the focus on the film and its story, rather than on trivial questions or behind-the-scenes gossip. This approach allows the audience to connect with the performances themselves without distractions. Interestingly, Mohit Suri adopted the same promotional strategy with his 2013 hit Aashiqui 2, which launched actors Aditya Roy Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor. During filming in Goa, he noticed that while he was recognized, people had no idea who the lead actors were. He recalled, "Later near the release of the film, we had to catch a flight back from Chandigarh, and while we were in the air, the first show of the movie broke out. Upon landing, I saw Shraddha and Aditya getting mobbed by the flight crew, fans and everyone around them, and the way they treated them after was way different." Mohit emphasized that their popularity wasn't due to looks or forced publicity, but because the audience connected deeply with their performances. They weren't being praised for their looks, not how we pushed them, but what the audience saw and connected with. For Sayyara, this quiet build-up has been a conscious choice to let the story and the actors' work take center stage. And judging by the overwhelming love from fans, it seems this approach is already paying off. Actress Tamanna Bhatia, known for her roles in films like Bahubali and her recent special appearance in Raid 2, is in what she calls her figuring it out phase. This is a time of change, both in her personal life and career. Tamanna shared a thoughtful post on Instagram, showing glimpses of her daily routine, balancing work, creativity, and simply enjoying the present moment. This is the figuring it out phase, the phase where you're half designer, half detective, where every detail matters and every misstep teaches, where ideas live on sticky notes. It's not perfect yet, but it's on its way. She explained the magic behind this stage. Behind every shiny thing is a not so shiny process. Decisions and doubts. This is that part, the nerdy, chaotic, the exciting middle. Earlier this week, Tamanna shared a powerful message about embracing contrasts in style and in life. She showed how a glamorous gown and a casual t-shirt can come together beautifully. She wrote, "A black sequined gown and a grey t-shirt may belong to two different worlds, but for me, they feel like they were meant to meet." Tamanna described this blend as a harmony of masculine edge and feminine instinct, saying, "Contradiction isn't conflict, it's where masculine edge and feminine instinct find harmony. It's also the art of layering, not just in what I wear, but in who I am. Casual glamour isn't a trend, it's my language, and it's always layered." On the personal front, Tamanna and actor Vijay Varma have reportedly parted ways after nearly 2 years together. While neither has confirmed the breakup publicly, sources suggest their differing future plans played a role. Tamanna wanting to settle down, while Vijay is focused on building his career. Despite the breakup buzz, Tamanna remains deeply focused on her work. She is currently filming One, Force of the Forest, a survival thriller set in the dense jungles of central India. This project marks her first on-screen collaboration with Siddharth Malhotra, exciting fans eager to see their chemistry. In this phase of self-discovery and growth, Tamanna Bhatia is showing us how to embrace change with grace and how to keep shining through every twist and turn. Congratulations are in order for Stree to star Rajkumar Rao and his wife Patralekha. The couple is all set to welcome their first child.
Thank you.
The exciting news was shared on Instagram on 9th July. In a pastel tone post featuring a floral wreath and a cradle, the words "Baby on the way" appeared with their names written below, Patralekha and Rajkumar. Rajkumar captioned it simply, "Elated." Following their announcement, the parents to be jetted off to New Zealand for a relaxing baby moon, and the pictures have taken social media by storm. Patralekha shared dreamy photos from their getaway, showing the couple enjoying some quality time in the Varakei terraces. She looked stunning in an orange monokini, glowing with happiness. From playful laughs to a romantic kiss in the pool, the photos capture the warmth and love between them. One serene shot shows Patralekha floating effortlessly as Rajkumar holds her with care. A different kind of luxury, slow time, soft skies, and warm water. Varakei terraces, you'll be hard to forget. Earlier in an interview, Patralekha said, "We knew about the pregnancy, so we avoided boat rides. I also chose not to do bungee jumping and skydiving, but had a lot of fun and have amazing memories from the trip." Rajkumar added that the two are avid travelers, calling it one of the most unforgettable adventures they've ever had. Rajkumar Rao and Patralekha, who tied the knot in 2021 in an intimate ceremony in Chandigarh, are now stepping into a beautiful new chapter, parenthood.
Hasta conversation.